Hi friends, in this lecture we are going to see about the basic syntax in Python. The basic syntax the mainly referred as indentations. For every block there should be an indentation. If we create an if block here, the if block statements should be represented with an indentation. Okay, the same code is written here without any indentations. This code will throw up an error. But a code with indentation will not throw up an error. Now let us see this example in Colab. Now let me create if colon. If you press enter, you can see it automatically creates an indentation. Print. For the next else block, there should not be any indentation. So I am removing this space. Else colon. If you press enter, it automatically creates an indentation here. Print false. If I run this code, you can see the code run successfully. If I remove these indentations here, this code will throw up an error. See, an indentation error occurred. Now let us look into comments in Python. Comments are texts added to the program to provide an explanatory information about the source code. They are used in a programming language to document the program and remind the programmers of what they did in the code. The comment helps the later generation to understand and maintain the code. There are two types of declaring comments in Python: single line comment and a multi-line comment. To use single line comment, we will use an hashtag. For multi-line comments, we will be using quotes. Now let us see how to declare comments in Python. Now first I will write a single line command. For writing a single line command, we will use an hash. Now let us enter a code. Connect the lab. After connecting, just run the code. You can see the comments are not reflected in the output. For a multi-line command, we will be using triple quotes. Now you can see the command is not reflected in the code. After comments, we are going to look in variables. A variable is a memory location used to store some values. A variable value can be changed at any part of time in the program. You can see a variable can be a string or an integer or a single character. See, I have declared three variables here. Variable is ABC, 20 and 5.9. There is each variable is stored inside a variable name or an identifier, so we can easily find the variable. So this is called the variable name or identifier, and these values are known as variables. In Python, we should not use any declarations. We will not use any declarations to declare the variables. The variables are declared automatically by the Python interpreter. So we can directly declare the variables anywhere we want. Now let us see this in an example. For using a string or a character, we must put quotes. For integers, not use any quotes. Now for if you want to see the type of the variable, you can just use print type of the variable you want. Plus, please enter the name of the variable you want or the identifier of the variable. I enter name, just run this. You can see the type of the variable name is string. We put age here. You can see age is automatically declared as an integer variable. Put 8 here. Height is a floating variable. So this is how variables are automatically declared in Python. After variables, we are going to see about keywords. Keywords are specifically defined words. They cannot be used as a variable name or as a function name or as any other identifiers. They are specific words. They are they do a specific task. There are many keywords in Python. To find what are the keywords present in Python, you can just use keyword.kwlist to find the keywords in Python. I see this in Collab Lab. First, I will just import. After that, just print keywords dot aw. If I run this program, there is an see now these are the keywords that are present in our Python code. See what are the keywords available for us. After keywords, there are rules and regulations for declaring an identifier. Please go through these rules and be careful while declaring a variable name in Python.